at least to access the platform. So I shared some information with you, especially the login details. So let me share it on the screen to make sure that everyone can see. There it is. Colleagues, can you see your login details, your credentials, username, password? I started with, you can see direct under color. We have, yeah, all of you, I believe you are there.
No.
Not all of you. Okay. So if you can't see your name, we have here first name, last name. And the first column is the username, is what you provide to the system. The password is the same. So I will show you later on how to change the password. Never share your password with people because they will be able to see what you are discussing, what you are doing, and the resources that you created for yourself. And there's something very important. This platform can allow you to create resources and not to share with anyone if not yet ready. You can only share if you want. And no one can force you to share what is yours. And the question is, why are you putting it there on the platform? It's for you to access it easily, to finalize it, and later on to share with your group, with the people who are in the same project like you. And there's something very important that I want to say also. You as members within the community, you will be able to create your own groups. You create a group and then you add the people that you want. And then you make your group invisible. Other people won't see it if they are not involved. So it becomes, this becomes to personalize your profile within the platform. People can see something if you want them to see it. Something is yours, and you keep it. You can delete it. You can keep it there, and you can share if you want to share. And you can decide with whom to share. So here we are trying to simulate the real life of professionals. At my office, I don't share everything with everybody. I share with those that I believe need that information, the people that I want to share with them. So the platform should not really break that privacy. It's there. What is yours, and you use it when you want. So colleagues, so if you can't see your name, it means I didn't create your details. But don't worry about that one. You may let me not to do so, or you can even create your account yourself. But I have to approve it before the account to be created. So make sure you have the username, make sure of the spelling and the password. You write them somewhere. Now I'm going to access the platform. We are going only to learn how to access the platform. So we organize another session. You will tell me when you want it, because you are many and me, I'm alone. So we'll agree on the time. It will be a pleasure for me to come back and to do what we didn't manage to do today, because I provide more opportunities on questions and try to clarify things. So now I'm going to share my screen showing the browser that I'm going to use. So I'm going back to English. If I train people speaking French, I always go to French and so on. So the language is no longer a problem these days. Oh, okay, I selected English. So I'm going to, let me reduce a little bit so I can see the menu. So I'm going to log in. How to log in is very simple. You click, no, this is in French, isn't it? I want things in English. Yes, now I'm in English. My username, I put my username. My password, I'm not going to give you because this is private. I have access to all these groups because I created these groups. But the groups that you are going to create, I will not see them. They will not show here because I won't be a member unless you add me as a member. But if you don't add me, I will not even see them. Okay? So this is what I want you to do. I want you, so let me log out again. Under username, put the username that you picked from the list I show you, the list of the username and password. So type the username there. So I'm going to use one for the director. I will put the password. I'm in. So as you can see, him is already a member of Curriculum Alignment, is also a member of Community Zambia. But what I did, I sent an invitation to all of you. Once you log in the system, you will see something asking you to log in, to accept the invitation for Community Zambia. Okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a username of somebody. Philip Tembo. I think Philip Tembo is not there. Okay? I'm going to go out. I log out. I'm going to enter FP Tembo and I put the password. When I do this, what I did actually, okay, you will see that there is a name of Philip. There is a place to add the picture. I will show you at the later stage on how to do that. And the system is telling Philip there is group invitation. So what you need to do, you need to click on group invitation. The system will open this. It will show you the group invitation actually is for Community Zambia. So what I will do, me, I'm Philip. If I'm interested, I will say accept. I will click on accept. It means I accept to be a member of Community Zambia. Colleagues, did you manage to access? Some of you? I created already videos, but what we need to do, we need to get another session. That one will be specifically on the platform, nothing else. Because we went through enough theories, but I will be engaging you. You have seen that I can engage people by a little exercise, very simple. But I'm going to liaise with Dr. Ndakala to see if we can organize another session. And from there to do what we're supposed to do today and to do other things. Is that okay, colleagues? My suggestion for another session, but we'll do that based on your own time. You will let me know. So click on react, or you click on raise the hand if the suggestion is good to get another session. You click on the raise hand if it's fine for you. I can see Jean. I can see Violet, Jack, Esinkala. So I think it's good. Let's organize another session for 2 hours. That's going to do a lot of things. But in the meantime, I will give you access to the resources that we develop already. You can start doing it before we meet for a practical session for 2 hours that we are going to get probably next week, if you get the time. So if you let me know in advance, so I will liaise with the director to indicate to me so that I can take you through this process, because this system is going to assist you in so many ways. We are going to look together on the possibilities that is offering. Is that okay, colleagues?
Yes.
So wonderful. So I've said that let us adjourn this session. I made the as you know, I recorded it. I'm going to extract the recordings and I'm going to send it to the YouTube. And I'm going to give you the link. So when you have the time, or for those who didn't get the time to attend today, they may go through what we discussed today. Okay. Colleagues, thank you so much. Let us meet next time. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.